Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 doesn't even last 5 minutes, you're likely facing a battery issue. This can happen due to regular wear and tear, or if the battery has reached the end of its life. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further inconvenience and a complete inability to use your vacuum cleaner when you need it most. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a replacement battery specifically for the Dyson V10, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged. Begin by locating the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use your flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips or components. Now that you have access to the inside of the vacuum, locate the battery. It should be situated at the base and connected via 2 wires. Disconnect the wires carefully, ensuring not to pull too hard, as this could damage the connectors. Once the wires are free, you will see another screw holding the battery in place. Remove this screw with your Phillips screwdriver and gently lift the battery out. Take your new battery and place it into the compartment, making sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are secure and correctly positioned. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the screw that holds the battery in place. After that, carefully close the casing, making sure all clips are properly aligned. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the casing. With everything back in place, turn on your Dyson V10 and check if it holds a charge. If all is well, you have successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to charge your vacuum regularly and avoid letting the battery completely discharge frequently. This can help prolong the lifespan of your new battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.